Full disclosure before we dive in, the folks at Olight sent this to me for free in exchange for this video review. As always, my opinion can't be bought, but my interest certainly can be, especially when the tech team actually solves a problem. If you live in a van or a bus or a trailer, you know the midnight exterior check. Is that a bear? Is that a raccoon? Is that the neighbor's sewer hose acting up again? Whoa, that's bright. I'm seeing spots. Space in an RV is a zero-sum game. You buy a big flashlight, you got to throw away a spoon. That's why this Olight Oclip Pro S is a, dare I say, game changer. That word is kind of overhyped today. It launches this month, and it's 5 different tools, all about the same size as your thumb. This metal table here, but the magnet piece is the real MVP of this piece of gear. You ever try to hold a heavy flashlight while you're doing something? Well, this changes that because you can clip it on your hat, you can clip it on your shirt, you can clip it on a backpack strap, you can clip it on your waistband, you can clip it on whatever. And it magnets to things. The magnet and the clip make it hands-free for the win. Now, RV living is mostly glamorous until it's not. You need to find a plumbing leak in the dark cabinet. This thing has an upgraded 365 nanometer UV light with 2 different brightness levels. And this thing makes fluids glow. Oh no! For the record, that is not my toilet. It was one I did an inspection on. For me, this is the truth teller about RVs, particularly if you've cleaned it or not. Did you clean your toilet? Let's find out. Did you clean your shower? Let's find out that too. It's horrifying, but necessary. When you're sleeping just 2 feet away from your partner, you can't flash the high beams just to find your glasses in the dark. That's where this red RGB mode saves your night vision and potentially your marriage. And the Moonlight mode, this thing runs for 144 hours. That is 6 full days of light coming out of this little device. It's perfect for when you're boondocking and you're watching your battery percentages like a hawk. Like I said, Olight sent this to me so I could put it through the paces and test it out. And I have been checking it out for 3 days now. And I have been thoroughly impressed with the quality of the device, the battery length. Charge time took about an hour once I got it plugged in and all sorted out. There's no proprietary things here, just a standard USB charging port here. It comes with this charging cable. As someone who spent as much of their life in the military and as someone who does a lot of these product reviews, I get offered to be sent a ton of gadgets and get a chance to check out many, many things. I can tell you right now that I will never refuse a product from this brand. I've had a number of their lights and I have another one coming too. But I've been very, very impressed with this light. I've been very impressed with the quality of it. I find a reason to keep this. I don't always keep the things that get sent to me and that I do product reviews for, but this is one thing that I'm definitely going to keep because it's different. It really sets home. It really makes my life easier. And from a number of perspectives. So as a person who's mobile all the time and does camping, so I can clip this thing on my backpack and go camping, go hiking on a trail, camping in a tent. I'm working, doing things in my own trailer. As an RV technician or an RV inspector, this thing fits nicely in my little small tool bag or clips onto my uniform or shirt or somewhere like that. And as someone who spent a lot of time in the military, traveling around the world doing things, I'm very impressed with the size, quality, versatility, and functions of this thing and the small stature of it. So it's really, really great. So let's look at some of the functions here. So here is your selector knob for the UV light, the standard light, and the RGB, red, blue, green. And it does a number of things. So the UV light is the low light mode, and it exchanges up to a little higher light mode. The white light is moonlit, medium, high, or super high. And then your red, blue, green. So red, dim and bright, green, dim and bright, and blue, dim and bright. Now here's some other functions you may not be aware of. There's a strobe light function and there's a beacon function. So when the flashlight is turned off and you triple press it, it turns into a strobe light. When the light is on and you triple press it, it turns into a beacon. And every few seconds you get a flash. Now if you go to the red, blue, green side and you triple press it while it's off, it'll start flashing whatever color you had it on. And if you have the light turned on and you triple press it, it starts flashing all the colors. With that, you can have your own disco party with a thumb-sized light. All right, living in an RV, is this thing overkill? Maybe, but overkill is exactly what I want, because I want to be able to drop it, not break it. I want to be able to clip it onto anything or stick it to something when I'm working on an item. And I am very, very, very impressed with this little device. Even though they sent this to me for free, this one's definitely earning a spot on my visor. Check out the Oclip Pro S from Olight. It's out right now. You can get it in the links down below. Stay bright, stay mobile, stay adventurous. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for joining.